this is Mr. Technical Misfit himself, and back at you with another video, man. Know it's been a while, but we're gonna unbox this baby right here. This is the iPad Pro 2020 edition, 12.9. I know you guys have seen thousands and thousands of unboxings of this particular device by now, but what's gonna make this one different is I'm gonna compare it to mine, which is the original first generation iPad Pro. Shout out to the crew, man. Thank you for letting me unbox this. I don't get a chance to keep this one, unfortunately, unless somebody want to donate me one. I mean, hey, Apple, send your boy one of these. But this way you guys can see a quick comparison, man, of the first generation iPad Pro and what it has evolved to now. All right, guys, we get to unbox the iPad Pro, man. I love unboxings. Like, that is one of my favorite things to do and to watch on YouTube myself. Shout out to Unbox Therapy, man. Love his videos. But it's something about unboxing Apple products. You know, just, I love the box. I am one of the weird people, and everyone will tell you, I love the presentation. Like, that is almost exciting as the device itself to me. So, let's get started. With the new iPads, you get this pull tab, man. And I'm going to pull it right here. It's so satisfying. Man, gotta love that. Got to love that. So we're gonna peel the plastic off here. Get rid of all the plastics. All the plastics, man. We're gonna sit it over there out the way. So as you can see, this one is the iPad Pro. It is the 2020 edition. This is the 4th generation, I guess you can call it. It is the 128 gigabyte variant. It is 12.9 inch, 4th generation, as you can see, and this one is just the Wi-Fi model only. This one's not the LTE model. So let's get to it. So let's pull the box out. Woo! Look at that. Oh man, I can't say, believe it or not, it is actually lighter, but we'll get to that in just a second. Gonna jump in here. We got normal Apple stuff. We get rid of that. You don't need that. You do have a Type-C charger. So finally, Apple on board with the Type-C, man. Thank you. You do get the, I think this one's an 18 watt charger. I have to look at it and double check and see. This is the 18 watt, this is the fast charger. The dope thing about getting the new iPad, if you're an iPhone user, is that you don't have to buy this for your iPhone. So this is pretty dope. So we're gonna sit that over to the side too. That's it, man. Nothing else is in the box. So I'm gonna sit the box over to the side and we'll get to the main event. So here we go. New iPad. You can tell by that camera bump. Woo. Look at that. I mean, the camera bump is cool. I'm not really a fan, but I mean, you can tell right there, man. It's the new one with the new camera bump. So right there, new. That's dope. So let's go ahead and unpeel the back end. I love opening up new iPads or even new devices in general. Like, this is half the fun. So we're gonna peel it back, man. Try not to get any fingerprints on this screen. Let's get rid of that paper. So there you go. New iPad. I mean, it's nice. Like, I can't lie. It's damn nice, actually. It's super dope. Like, ooh, thin. Super thin. So let's compare it to the original here. Like, I'm gonna stand them up side by side so you guys can see them. So here's the original. This one is 128 gig. It is the let's turn both of them actually like this so you can see them. Yeah, like that. You can tell, even though this is the same 12.9 as this one, look how much smaller and shorter it is. Like, that makes a big difference. Huge difference. You turn it to the side there, turn the other one, and then that's the one thing about the iPad Pros, man. They were always super duper thin. So I don't see there's a difference in thinness. Definitely the first generation iPad is not a lot heavier, but it is a little bit heavier than their, the new ones, man. So let's see here. We're gonna flip it around. Mine is still charged up. Let's power this one on. Let's see what we get. First impressions, and like I said, this video is gonna be short and sweet. The new 2020 iPad, man, is definitely a step up. I mean, as far as technology is concerned, like you can tell the lightweight. I do like the squared off nature of this one much more than I like the rounded curves and the beveling on the side of it. I mean, I still love the iPad. This new iPad makes the old one look huge. Like, as you know, the new one, you don't have, and the reason why I didn't get it smaller, you don't have as many bezels around it. So I like it. I mean, it looks pretty good. The old iPad, still love it, man. iPad Pro is still a beast. That's the crazy thing. I think this thing came out in like 2015. So 5 years later, it's still a beast. Yeah, guys, there you have it. New iPad 2020 versus the original iPad Pro. Hey, boom, boom, there it is. There it is. Get a chance to see the OG versus the new kid on the block, man. So again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when the new video is dropping. And I promise you there will be a lot of videos coming with this bad boy right here before I have to return it and get it to its rightful owner. So if you haven't already checked it out, make sure you guys go check out the new podcast. It's called Technical Misfits. The name of the podcast is called Stay Teched Up. All my technical misfits out there, you guys know where they come from. Check it out, man. It will be podcasts coming for the iPad Pro. So make sure you follow me on all my social media. Gonna be down in the show comments. Make sure you guys go check out the podcast. Please make sure you go check out the podcast. Subscribe to that, like it, share it, do the whole 9. And make sure you be able to check out the videos for the new iPad. Also, some other new videos that I have coming out for you guys. So there's a lot of content coming at you. Like I said, we stuck in the house. What else you gonna do, baby? Might as well spend it with me. Might as well. So appreciate it, guys. Till next time, stay teched up.